Pongal, already you have learned that how this Vedant was asking his friend to know about the festival Shankranti, that is Pongal, isn't it? So he is writing a letter to his friend Vedant. So that midtime what happened, his grandfather is saying that his mother was going on calling, why you have not attended her call. Finally that boy goes to his mother, he finds out what is the reason and all that, and immediately he comes and writes the letter. Meantime what happened, this child's grandfather is asking, so what was that letter you have written, let me just see the letter. So from there we will continue now. First I am going to read it. दादाजी, प्रिय मित्र वेदांत, हम सब यहाँ कुशल हैं। आशा है आप सब भी कुशल होंगे। पिछले पत्र में तुमने पोंगल त्योहार के बारे में जानने की अपनी उत्सुकता के विषय में लिखा था। यह पत्र मैं तुम्हें पोंगल की जानकारी देने के लिए ही लिख रहा हूँ। पोंगल तमिलनाडु का कृषि से जुड़ा सबसे बड़ा त्योहार है। धान की फसल पकने की खुशी में यह त्योहार धूमधाम से मनाया जाता है। जब उत्तर भारत के लोग मकर संक्रांति मनाते हैं, तब दक्षिण भारत के लोग पोंगल त्योहार मनाते हैं। यह बहुत ही अनोखा और प्यारा त्योहार है। पहले दिन भोगी मनाया जाता है। इस दिन सब सदस्य मिलकर घर की साफ सफाई कर घर को सजाते हैं। नए चावल के चूर्ण से कोलम बनाया जाता है। सूर्य देवता की आकृति बनाते हैं। इस अवसर पर शर्कराई व्यंजन सूर्य देवता को समर्पित किया जाता है। अगले दिन मातृ पोंगल मनाया जाता है। सुबह सुबह स्नान करके गाय बैल आदि पशुओं का पूजन किया जाता है। खेतों में गोबर से गणेश जी की प्रतिमाएं बनाकर फूलों से सजाते हैं। मिट्टी के पात्रों में नए चावल, दूध और शक्कर आदि से बने पोंगल भोग गणेश जी को लगाया जाता है। Yeah, what is he saying here? Priya Mitra Vedant. So he is just saying that Priya Mitra Vedant, dear friend Vedant, हम सब यहाँ कुशल है। So we are all fine here. आशा है आप सब भी कुशल होंगे। So I hope that you people, all your family members are keeping well. पिछले पत्र में तुमने पोंगल त्योहार के बारे में जानने की अपनी उत्सुकता के विषय में लिखा था। So in the previous letter what you have told, you have just asked me about how to celebrate Pongal. So I am going to explain about that. Utsukata means with great curiosity or anxiety, you have just asked me how to celebrate Pongal. So I am going to write about this celebration of Pongal. यह पत्र मैं तुम्हें पोंगल की जानकारी देने के लिए ही लिख रहा हूँ. So I want to just explain about the festival Pongal, how it is celebrated and all that in detail. That is why I am writing this letter to you. पोंगल तमिलनाडु का कृषि से जुड़ा सबसे बड़ा त्योहार है. So what is said here? It is greatly and very grand way to celebrated in Tamil Nadu. कृषि से जुड़ा means it is a harvest festival. Especially it is with concern with the agricultural crops. That is why we celebrate that in great pomp and show. So what is saying here? पोंगल तमिलनाडु का कृषि से जुड़ा सबसे बड़ा त्योहार है. So it is completely on the harvest of new crops. धान की फसल पकने की खुशी में यह त्योहार धूमधाम से मनाया जाता है. धान की फसल पकने means when the crops get matured, when they just become ripened. When the crops become ripened, what happens? They are going to harvest it. They are going to cut those crops. And then new grains will come. Now with that new grains, they are going to prepare some dishes. So that we celebrate in a very great way, in a very grand way. की खुशी में यह त्योहार धूमधाम means very very grand way, धूमधाम से मनाया जाता है. जब उत्तर भारत के लोग मकर संक्रांति मनाते हैं, तब दक्षिण भारत के लोग पोंगल त्योहार मनाते but we in the southern part what we do, we call that as Pongal. Especially in Tamil Nadu it is called as Pongal. यह बहुत ही अनोखा और प्यारा त्योहार है. So this is something unique as well as प्यारा means very loving. So everybody likes it. Why? Because new crops, that means they are getting more and more food to eat, right? So when everybody gets more food to eat, what happens? They will all be very happy, isn't it? That is why it is said, यह बहुत ही अनोखा और प्यारा त्योहार है. Everybody likes to celebrate this festival. पहले दिन भोगी मनाया जाता है. What is it? The first day, because actually this Pongal is celebrated for 3 days. The first day it is called as Bogi Pongal. So he is explaining about Bogi Pongal, the first day celebration. पहले दिन भोगी मनाया जाता है. इस दिन सब सदस्य मिलकर घर की साफ सफाई कर घर को सजाते हैं. So what is saying? On this first day of Bogi Pongal, everybody, all the members of the family, what do? They clean the house and everything. They just decorate the house in a very grand way. They decorate, and what happens? We are going to celebrate it. So on the first day is Bogi Pongal. On which day? On that day, what happens? All the members of the family, with great happiness, what they do? They clean the house and then they decorate the house. नए चावल के चूर्ण से कोलम बनाया जाता है. नए चावल, so already they are getting the new crop, isn't it? After harvesting they get new crops, no? That new crops, what they do? They pound it, especially the rice. Rice will be pounded, means it will be made into powder. And with that powder, the rice powder, they make this rangoli, what you call. So rangoli only is called as kolam. Kolam, you understood? So kolam is nothing but rangoli. So on the first day, what they are going to do? They are decorating it. They are cleaning the house, and then afterwards they are going to put this rangoli. So you can see here. Okay, that is called as kolam. With what they use? That is from the powder of the new rice, harvested rice, new crops. सूर्य देवता की आकृति बनाते हैं. So what do? They make an idol of Surya Deva. Surya, you understood, no? Sun God. Okay, they make that idol of image of Sun God, and then they keep that in front of this rangoli. बनाया जाता है. सूर्य देवता की आकृति बनाते हैं. इस अवसर पर शर्कराई व्यंजन सूर्य देवता को समर्पित किया जाता है. So they make a special dish called sharkarai, and this sharkarai dish is offered to the sun god. Where is that sun god? They have made an idol of that sun god, isn't it? For that sun god, they just offer this sharkarai. What is sharkarai? It is a something special dish, a sweet dish which is served to Surya Deva. That is Surya Deva is sun god. Now, अगले दिन माचो पोंगल मनाया जाता है. Second day is called as माचो पोंगल. First day is भोगी पोंगल. Second day is माचो पोंगल. अगले दिन माचो पोंगल मनाया जाता है. सुबह सुबह स्नान करके गाय बैल आदि पशुओं का पूजन किया जाता है. So what do they do on the माचो पोंगल? Early morning they just clean all the cattle. That means the cows, ox, buffalo, all these things will be nicely given bath. Okay, they clean them and then they nicely decorate them also. The animals, that is cattle, they will be decorated, and the horns and all will be put into colors and all those things. And they make some drawings on the body of the these animals, especially the cattle, cow, ox, buffalo, and all those things. Okay, and then what do? They just perform a puja for these animals. They perform puja. That is what here. सुबह सुबह स्नान करके गाय बैल आदि पशुओं का पूजन किया जाता है. So they start worshipping this cattle. They decorate them and then they worship this cattle. खेतों में गोबर से गणेश जी की प्रतिमाएं बनाकर फूलों से सजाते हैं. खेतों में गोबर means what? Cow dung. So in the agricultural field itself, what they do? They make this Ganesha idol with the help of cow dung. Gobar is cow dung. They make that idol of Ganesha there in the agricultural field. बनाकर फूलों से सजाते हैं. So they just decorate this idol, Ganesh idol with flowers. With flowers. फूलों से सजाते हैं. Decorating with flowers. Who? The Ganesha idol. Where it is? It is on in the agricultural field. They only just make it. They prepare it. मिट्टी के पात्रों में नए चावल, दूध और शक्कर आदि से बने पोंगल का भोग गणेश जी को लगाया जाता है. So what do they do? मिट्टी के पात्रों में, मिट्टी means the earthen pot made up of mud. Earthen pot you know ना, made up of mud. मडके what you call. So मिट्टी के पात्रों में नए चावल means just harvested. New crops will come now. That new crop, the harvested crop, that is chawal, that is especially rice. Chawal is rice. Doodh, milk, or shakkar means jaggery. That is jaggery or sugar you can take. Okay. So मिट्टी के पात्रों में नए चावल, दूध और शक्कर आदि से बने पोंगल का भोग गणेश जी को लगाया जाता है. So what happened? They have already made this idol of Ganesha, isn't it, and decorated with flowers that will be there in the agricultural field. Now they are bringing the earthen pot. In the earthen pot, what they are going to do? They are putting this new rice, the harvested rice, and then they are adding milk and sugar, everything, and they make a sweet dish. And that sweet dish is offered to Lord Ganesha. That is the idol which they have made. So that is done on the second day. So all this child is going to write in detail to his friend Vedant. So after the second day, Matu Pongal, first day is Bogi Pongal, next day is Matu Pongal. Now the third day, what will they do? All that we'll see now. So now this Govindam is going to explain in detail about all this celebration. So now later I'm going to read it, then again I'll explain to you. गाय बैल आदि पालतू पशुओं को नहलाने धुलाने के बाद उन्हें हल्दी कुमकुम का तिलक लगाकर फूलों की मालाएं पहनाई जाती है. बैलों के सीनों को विविध रंगों से सजाया जाता है. फिर पालतू पशुओं को पोंगल खिलाया जाता है. कृषि उपकरणों की भी पूजा की जाती है. इस अवसर पर बैलगाड़ियों की दौड़ का आयोजन सबको आनंद और जोश से भर देता है. सब मिलकर भोजन करने के बाद बड़ों का आशीर्वाद लेते हैं. इस प्रकार खुशी और उमंग का यह त्योहार संपन्न होता है. आशा है कि अब तुम इस त्योहार के बारे में जान गए होंगे. अगले वर्ष पोंगल के अवसर पर अपने परिवार के साथ तमिलनाडु आकर इस पर्व की खुशियों में सम्मिलित होना. अपने माता पिता को मेरा प्रणाम कहना. तुम्हारा मित्र गोविंदम. तो दादाजी, शाबाश बेटा, तुमने बहुत अच्छा पत्र लिखा है. So now what happened? He is going on explaining now. This child Govindam is going on explaining to his friend Vedant about all the celebrations, especially it is for 3 days, So he is just explaining all that. And on the Matu Pongal, what all things happen? That is on the second day, what all things are happening. He has already explained. We continue with that now. गाय बैल आदि पालतू पशुओं को नहलाने धुलाने के बाद उन्हें हल्दी कुमकुम का तिलक लगाकर फूलों की मालाएं पहनाई जाती है. Means after giving birth to this cattle, what they do? That is cow, ox, buffalo, and all. What will they do? They nicely decorate it. First they put this turmeric and then vermilion. Kumkuma is vermilion. And haldi is what? The turmeric. They apply all that on the face or the forehead of the cattle. After applying that on the forehead and on the body of this cattle, what they do? They put the garland, flower garland. They make the garland, and that garland also will be put. You can see here. See, they are putting the garland. They are putting all this. See, can you see that? Yes, and they are decorating the cattle. Then बैलों की सीनों की विविध रंगों से सजाया जाता है. So the horns there now. These horns also they are going to decorate. The horns of this cow, they are going to decorate it with different colors. Rang bar means different colors. फिर पालतू पशुओं को पोंगल खिलाया जाता है. After all this, after performing puja and all those things, what they do? They give this pongal. Already they have prepared pongal, new pongal they have prepared in the earthen pot, isn't it? That pongal will be given to this cattle to eat. It is an offering for the cattle. They give this, and the animals eat it very happily. कृषि उपकरणों की भी पूजा की जाती है, and there will be agricultural implements, no instruments. Agriculture, for agriculture they use plow. Then this one, what is that? So many other materials. Okay. So this combine is there, plow is there, then saw will be there. All these things, no, that they keep it. Spade, all these things. That is called as agricultural instruments or agricultural implements. All that also will be perform puja. Then they keep those instruments, and for that also they perform puja. Okay. Then इस अवसर पर बैलगाड़ियों की दौड़ का आयोजन सबको आनंद और जोश से भर देता है. So what they do? They keep the race, bullock cart race. So you can see here, they keep this bullock cart race on the particular day, and everybody will see that and they enjoy, because there will be a competition, right? Whose bullock cart will move first, isn't it? That competition will go on and people will be enjoying that. So इस अवसर पर बैलगाड़ियों की दौड़ का आयोजन सबको आनंद और जोश से भर देता है. So they all will be very happy. Those are observing this competition of bullock cart race. सब मिलकर भोजन करने के बाद बड़ों का आशीर्वाद लेते हैं. So after that, what happens? After this cattle eat the pongal, other members of the family also they all sit together and they eat this pongal, and the young people will start taking the blessings of the elderly people. So they all take blessings. All these young people will take blessings from the elderly people. बड़ों का आशीर्वाद लेते हैं. इस प्रकार खुशी और उमंग का यह त्योहार संपन्न होता है. So everybody will feel so happy. Everybody will feel happy, and they enjoy this festival because they are getting food also to eat. No, new dresses. And the cattle also are decorated. There is a competition, and they get good food, everything. So they all feel very, very happy to celebrate this festival, Pongal. आशा है कि अब तुम इस त्योहार के बारे में जान गए होगे. So I feel that, I hope that already now you have understood about what is this Pongal, how it is celebrated, all those things. So I hope that you have understood it. अगले वर्ष पोंगल के अवसर पर अपने परिवार के साथ तमिलनाडु आकर इस पर्व की खुशियों में सम्मिलित होना. So he is saying, okay, so at least next year on this Pongal you come all, you along with your family members, you please visit Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu means this child Govindam is in Tamil Nadu, isn't it? So he is saying, you please come for the next year at least. You come to my house to celebrate Pongal. All of us will join together. Let us celebrate Pongal. So I hope that you will be coming next year. अपने माता पिता को मेरा प्रणाम कहना. So he is saying, so I am ending the letter now, and convey my best wishes and regards to your parents also. I am very happy to write this letter. So convey my regards to them and get the blessings for me. That he is going to write. Who? Govindam is writing to Vedant. तुम्हारा मित्र Govindam. So your friend Govindam. He is ending that letter. Like तुम्हारा मित्र means your friend Govindam. So who read all this letter now? It was read by the grandfather, isn't it? So grandfather wanted to know how the child has written a letter. So now grandfather is very happy after reading this because he has written it very beautifully. So what is he saying? Dadaji. Dadaji is grandfather. What is he saying? शाबाश बेटा, तुमने बहुत अच्छा पत्र लिखा है. So he is patting the child Govindam and he is saying, very good child. You have written it very nicely and you have explained it so beautifully that everybody can understand. So and they will also feel happy to celebrate this festival. So grandfather is blessing the child Govindam. Did you understand? That's the end of the lesson. Let me stop it here. We'll continue in the next class. Thank you.